Vegetarian cuisine is a growing market worldwide. And if I know anything about my fellow Taiwanese people, it's that they would smell opportunity. And I know just a place where local cooks are taking on this new frontier with a twist that is uniquely Taiwan.
So I gotta be honest, I've been a fan of this place ever since trying it in 2019. I mean, look at this. This is a veggie wall, right? It's the transparency. And the moment you come in, it's super welcoming. Vegetables in Taiwan just have a very, very certain flavor and texture that I just can't find it in the West, you know? So the fact that they have this ready, all bundled up for you to pick out. So they combined vegetarian cooking and vegan dining with Lu Wei in a modern setting. It's a recipe for me, honestly. And everything is packed up nicely. You have the mock meats, to your fresh veggies, to your gourds. And you have set combos. Hello， 你好，我戴个口罩。你好，我是 Eric。你是店长。
对，叫阿蹦。
阿蹦，
你好。
那我可以看一下你们的厨房吗？
可以啊，
参观一下。
这边。
你厨房其实还蛮简单的哈。
对，因为卤味可能就跟一般餐厅比较不一样，我们的需求会比较低一点点。因为像台湾可能卤味比较多，一般是在夜市嘛。那我们就想说，把它可以搬到像百货公司或是像这样的店面，也可以做得比较漂亮，但就比较简单。
所以客人拿购物袋选东西带到这边来，然后你们把购物袋拿过来，那过程这边的流程是什么
？OK， 我就会把袋子拿过来挂在这里，那我们就开始煮。
然后你们的料包什么都是自己调的？
对，
所以这是
早上调的。
It's a very herbaceous broth. Can't call it stock because there's no protein, but you can taste all the vegetables and then the fundamental aromatics. But the main ingredients is the medicine bag right there. I think that is the signature flavor. The presentation, really. It's presented like a bowl of noodles, but it's an 85% just vegetables and soy protein. And I feel like they know that the strongest point is their broth. That paired with the geographical advantages of having all these fresh vegetables in Taiwan, it's a killer combination. They really don't have to do much. 其实我们做这个秀探讨很多，就是可能从30年前到20年前到10年前到现在，那个蔬菜，素食的面貌在台湾有多大的改变？
如果面貌在我小时候的记忆，其实如果妈妈带我去吃素，但因为不是每天吃，可能有的时候是真的去那种素食自助餐，那真的会有个佛像，甚至里面放的是佛经。
对。
非宗教信仰的人是不太可能走进去里面吃饭，因为选择还很多这样。对，那是小时候的记忆这样。然后在我在创业的时候，我觉得开始出现蛮多特色的，就开始有人把，主要我觉得小吃类比较多，像把章鱼烧变成素食的，然后到现在后来成那个 Beyond Meat 出来之后，开始汉堡啊，现在开始每间只要西式的素食店都一定有汉堡这样。对，
素食开始生活化。
我的客人其实里面，我觉得大概1半以上甚至80%都不是素食者这样。那我觉得这就是我当时一直想象说，能不能做到不要被贴标签说那就是素食店，然后那不是我必须去吃的选择的餐点这样子。
你卖的不是一个 diet， 对不对？不是一个饮食方法，是一个生活的方法。
对。然后它自主性很高，自己的决定权很高。消费者，我今天挑什么食材，我自己选，我要做什么酱料，甚至1份要多少钱，对，你可以自己决定。
我真的觉得你把它讲的实在是太简单了。我觉得你从走进来那个刹那，挑选东西每一个细节、每一个步骤都掺杂了好多不同的元素，让你的生意就是这样可以长长久久下来。这个我一个做生意的，真的是我看每一个步骤我都是真的很佩服。